Believe it or not, I do have bad genetics. Piggy pecs, chicken legs, and weirdly placed abs. I've been mocked around for my unconventional skinny physique. Yet, through a decade of relentless training and against all odds, I've obtained godlike aesthetics. Yes, there is more to genetics than meets the eyes, and it goes actually way deeper than that. And yes, you've been lied to. The time has come for you to understand why bad genetics breed god aesthetics. The first principle you have to understand is that your quote-unquote genetics are genuinely sleeping right now. Take a good look at Chris Bumstead, for example. Did he actually know he had top-tier genetics when he was a skinny teenager playing freaking football? Probably not. It became clear to him once he had put in time working out and getting better. Why would it be any different for you? If, like me, you've been told derogatory comments on your appearance, then I want you to take that as fuel and put in the time to prove them wrong by perfecting your physique. It's your duty. Your Greek god genetics have been sleeping up until now. The second principle is that I can actually confirm you have good or even great genetics for godlike aesthetics. How can I claim this? Well, you're watching this video right now. If you're living, well, you are the amalgam of years on years of arduous yet haphazardly procreation. That proof suffices for me to believe in my own DNA luggage, even though none has bodybuild or has properly done calisthenics in my bloodline. Surely they must have been warriors, hunter-gatherers, hardworking farmers, freaking bricklayers, with awesome genes in your blood too, don't you agree? And so the third principle is that you have to believe in yourself and your genetic potential even if you don't see it yet. Just as Chris Bumstead didn't know as a skinny teenager, and just as warriors and farmers in your ancestral lineage likely had great genetics that allowed them to thrive, you too actually possess untapped inborn gifts. It's not going to be easy nor quick. It will take hard work, dedication, and time in the gym or at the bars to unlock and reveal your true physical potential. But if you have faith in your DNA and commit yourself to the process, you can achieve an insane aesthetic physique even though it seems impossible right now. But hey, I did it, so you can too. I'm no better than you guys. I went from skinny as fuck to a lean, mean machine. From skin and bones to rough and buff. Don't let your current body or comments from others limit your beliefs about your genetic ceiling. You will understand what you can and cannot achieve naturally once you're at the top, not even before that. In conclusion, you need to draw inspiration from your ancestral hardy lineage, and above all, deeply believe in yourself. With sustained effort over the years, you will achieve godlike aesthetics, proving any doubters wrong. Also, for the skinny or skinny fat guy that want to get strong in the next month, go grab my free course, Skinny to Strong in 30 days, that will lead your way into fitness with calisthenics. Just click the first link down below. Then if you need a free physique analysis, you get to understand the strength, the weaknesses, and what you should focus on with your physique. Then I want you to scroll down and click the second link and fill the freaking Google form. Guys, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any wisdom regarding fitness. This was Nick Lab. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out!